Hi, my name's Amy. I am going to show you how to use a Perkins Brailler today. I'm going to show you the parts and I'm going to demonstrate loading the paper in. These are the parts of the Perkins Brailler. These are the dot buttons. There's 6 dots in a Braille cell. We have dot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is a space button. This advances the line, and this is a backspace button. This here is the embossing head. We have the embossing head and the embossing plate. The embossing head is what puts what you type on the paper and gives it texture. Here is the paper loader, or the paper roller. This rolls the paper around in the Brailler. Now, in order to load the paper, we need to make sure that this roller is all the way back. So we can't put it back anymore. Otherwise, it won't load the paper all the way into where it needs to be to start brailing. We also want to make sure that our paper release lever is forward. This allows paper to go into the Brailler and us to position it before we lock it in. So we take our paper and we want to position it all the way to the left between the embossing head and the embossing plate, and between this rubber roller and this metal roller, just like so. It's going to be completely horizontal. And then once it's where we want it to be and secure, we're going to lock it in by pushing the release levers back. And then we should be able to pull this to turn these rollers all the way towards us to load the Brailler and get our embossing head to the top of the paper. It stops on its own. So then once that's stopped, we're going to go to the next line by pushing the line advance button once. And then we are ready to start brailing.